What happens when you throw boiling water in Arctic Canada?
Imagine it's so cold outside that the moment you throw a cup of boiling water into the air, it instantly turns into snow. Sounds like a magic trick, right? But in Arctic Canada, during the bone-chilling winter months, this phenomenon is a mesmerizing reality, not an illusion. This happens because of the sub-zero temperatures that can plummet way below -30 degrees. When boiling water, which is at 100 degrees 200 Fahrenheit, is thrown into the extremely cold air, it breaks into tiny droplets. The water droplets evaporate or freeze almost instantly, turning into a cloud of ice crystals or snow. This incredible spectacle has been a talk among scientists and tourists alike. However, it's crucial to be adequately prepared for the extreme cold to safely enjoy this rare event. Arctic Canada's harsh winters offer a unique glimpse into the power and beauty of nature's phenomena, turning simple science experiments into unforgettable experiences.
Ever heard of a real-life superhero in science? Guess what this hidden genius did?
Imagine living in a world where diseases were rampant and we had no clue about what was causing them. Sounds terrifying, right? Meet Alice Ball, a chemist who doesn't get the spotlight she deserves. At just 23 years old, she developed a groundbreaking treatment for leprosy, a disease that had plagued humanity for centuries, leaving sufferers isolated and stigmatized. Before Ball's discovery, there was no effective cure for leprosy. Her method? Extracting oil from the cholmugra tree, which had been used traditionally but never with consistent results. Alice managed to create an injectable form that finally offered real hope, transforming the treatment of the disease. Tragically, Alice Ball died young, and her incredible contribution was nearly forgotten for decades. It's time we recognize this unsung hero who changed the world from behind the scenes. The next time you think of superheroes, remember Alice Ball, the young chemist who fought one of humanity's oldest enemies with science.
Ever heard of the Maori's whispering winds?
In the heart of New Zealand, the Maori people share a unique bond with their environment. They believe in the concept of waikorero, where the essence of communication isn't just in words, but in the very sounds of nature. This special connection is evident in how they integrate natural elements into their traditional songs and rituals. One of the most enchanting practices is their use of the wind. Yes, the wind. They believe that different winds have their own tunes and stories. By listening to the gusts and breezes, they can interpret messages from their ancestors or foresee changes in the weather. This practice isn't just about forecasting. It's a way to keep their culture and history alive, passing down lessons and legends with every whistling breeze. Through this, the Maori have mastered the art of listening in a way that connects the past, present, and the natural world around them.
Ever heard of the flaming camel? This Arabian legend will shock you.
In the vast deserts of Arabia, where the sands seem endless and the sun fiercely rules the sky, there roams a creature as mysterious as the shifting dunes. This is the tale of the flaming camel, a legend whispered among the caravans that traverse the scorching lands. It is said that this camel, engulfed in flames that never seem to harm it, is a guardian of the desert's secrets and treasures. Unlike any ordinary camel, its fur glows with embers, and its eyes shine like lanterns in the night. Travelers and adventurers, drawn by tales of hidden oases and ancient ruins, hope to glimpse this fiery beast, believing it leads the worthy to fortunes untold. However, heed this warning. Only those pure of heart can follow the flaming camel, for it senses greed and ill will, leading the unworthy into endless, disorienting mirages. To see the flaming camel is to witness the desert's true majesty, a reminder that even in the harshest environments, wonders thrive.
Ever heard of a pirate queen? Surprise, it's not a movie.
Imagine being the most powerful pirate in the 16th century, and now, imagine that pirate is a woman. Meet Grace O'Malley, the Irish pirate queen, who led a huge fleet of ships to rebel against the powerful English rule. Grace wasn't just any pirate, she was a born leader, taking over her family's fleet after her father's death. Unlike the typical pirate image, she was a skilled negotiator and a fierce warrior, respected by her enemies. Stories say she met Queen Elizabeth I face to face, negotiating her family's release with such boldness that the Queen was impressed. They even chatted in Latin, as Elizabeth didn't speak Irish and Grace didn't speak English. Guess what? Grace managed to get most of her demands met, proving that she was not just a pirate, but a queen in her own right. Who would have thought piracy could lead to a royal negotiation?
Did you know South Africa holds a cosmic mystery?
Imagine standing under the night sky, gazing at stars billions of years old. Now picture a place where these stars don't just twinkle from afar, but have also left a mark on Earth. Welcome to South Africa's Vredefort crater, the largest verified impact crater on Earth. Around 2 billion years ago, a massive asteroid, about 10 kilometers in diameter, collided with Earth. This catastrophic event created the Vredefort crater, which spans about 300 kilometers. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, not just for its size, but for the story it tells about our planet's history and the cosmic forces that have shaped it. Unlike other craters that have eroded away, Vredefort provides a unique glimpse into the past, making South Africa a key destination for scientists and stargazers alike. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that South Africa holds a piece of the universe's history.
Have you ever wondered how a culture uses seaweed to predict the future?
Deep in the heart of the Pacific Islands, the Polynesian navigators hold a mysterious and fascinating skill that goes beyond the realms of ordinary. It's not just about traversing the vast ocean or finding land without the modern compass. Rather, it's about their unique technique of predicting weather and navigating the challenging seas. They use seaweed alongside observing the stars, bird behavior, and cloud patterns. This ancient practice, passed down through generations, involves carefully studying the seaweed's condition and changes. Depending on its texture, buoyancy, and color, these skilled navigators can predict weather changes, storm approaches, and even find the best fishing spots. This incredible knowledge, deeply embedded in their culture, showcases an extraordinary harmony with nature and a profound understanding of the ocean's mysteries. It highlights the ingenious ways humans have adapted to their environments, using what nature offers to navigate and survive the challenges of the vast Pacific.
Ever heard of the real James Bond? No, not the spy.
Imagine being so famous, a world-renowned author uses your name for the ultimate spy character. Meet the real James Bond, not the suave secret agent from movies, but an ornithologist. Yeah, Shanit, ornithot it right. A bird scientist. Born in 1900, this James Bond devoted his life to studying birds, publishing Birds of the West Indies in 1936. His work became so iconic that Ian Fleming, a British author looking for a bland, unassuming name for his spy, borrowed Bond's name for his novels. Fleming confessed to borrowing the name, finding it brief, unromantic, Anglo-Saxon, and yet very masculine. Imagine Bond's surprise when his name became synonymous with espionage and intrigue. The real James Bond's legacy lives on, not in secret missions, but in the significant contributions to ornithology. Now, that's a plot twist no one saw coming.
Did you know Japan has a demon that loves to clean?
In Japan, there's a tale about a unique demon, not like any you've heard of before. This isn't your typical scary demon. Meet the Akaname, which literally means filth licker. Unlike other demons that lurk in the shadows, this one spends its nights in a rather unusual place, the bathroom. Yes, you heard that right. The Akaname's sole mission? To lick and clean the filth off bathrooms. According to the legend, the Akaname comes out in the dead of night, using its long, sticky tongue to cleanse dirty bathrooms of the grime and dirt that's accumulated over time. People believed that if their bathrooms were left unclean, the Akaname would pay them a visit, indicating that personal cleanliness and the cleanliness of one's surroundings were crucial. So next time you think about skipping cleaning your bathroom, remember, you might just get a visit from this cleanliness-loving demon.
Ever heard of the Indian snake goddess? Discover the divine protector hidden in folklore.
In the heart of India, nestled within the dense forests and among the bustling cities, whispers of the snake goddess, Manasa, echo through the country. Unlike any typical deity story you might have heard, Manasa's tale is one of struggle, devotion, and the power of faith. Born from the mind of Shiva, the supreme destroyer, Manasa sought respect and worship among humans, yet faced rejection due to her serpentine origins. Despite her divine nature, it was her human qualities that resonated with the people. her relentless determination to gain followers, and her deep pity for human suffering. She became known as the protector against snake bites, a common threat in rural India, offering her protection to those who worshipped her. Her story is a captivating blend of human emotion and divine power, showcasing her journey from rejection to becoming a celebrated goddess. Manasa Devi's legend survives through festivals in her honor, reminding us that even in mythology, persistence and compassion can prevail over prejudice.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.